Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your brand with Canva, full guide step by step clearly. To scale your brand with Canva, start by creating an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available templates. Begin by defining your brand identity, including your mission, values, and target audience. Choose a color palette that reflects your brand's personality and appeals to your audience. Select fonts that convey your brand's tone and ensure readability across all platforms. Create a brand kit in Canva to store your colors, logos, and fonts in one place. Now, explore the extensive library of templates Canva offers. Select a template that aligns with your brand identity for social media posts, presentations, or marketing materials. Customize the template by adding your brand colors, fonts, and imagery. Incorporate high-quality images and graphics to enhance your visual content. Use Canva's design tools to adjust layouts, spacing, and alignment for a polished look. Once your design is complete, download it in the preferred format, such as PNG or PDF. Consider using Canva's animated features for engaging videos or GIFs for social media. Leverage Canva's collaboration tools to work with team members effectively on projects. Stay consistent by posting regularly and engaging with your audience across different platforms. Monitor your brand's performance using analytics tools integrated with Canva. Gather feedback from your audience to refine your branding strategies continuously. Keep experimenting with new designs and formats to keep your content fresh and relevant. By consistently applying these strategies, you'll effectively scale your brand using Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.